Hello students. In this class we are going to discuss about Bezier spline curve. So what is Bezier spline curve? You know that we cannot draw a curve in raster scan device method. We can draw only point, correct? Now how to draw a curve? Curve also should be drawn by combination of point. Now this Bezier spline curve explaining how to draw a curve using only point, that is Bezier spline curve. So what is this name indicates? There was a French engineer. He was working in Renault car company. So in the car company they were trying to design a curve, a car with many curves. So the design may look very beauty by using many curve. So he has invented this curve concept in CAD software, CAD, car designing software. So they used this Bezier method, that's why it is called Bezier spline curve. Now we'll see Bezier curve equations. So our objective is what? We have to draw a curve, correct? To draw a curve, you need points. How many number of point I am going to use? And I have to tell the beginning point and end point, correct? Now I would like to recall MS Paint, Microsoft Paint. In MS Paint, how you will draw a curve? By clicking curve option, you will give the beginning point, then you will give an end point, then you will give two more click. Based on your two more click, the curve will be drawn in MS Paint. These points are called control points. Okay. This application is used in MS Paint also. When you are drawing a curve in MS Paint, like this curve drawing algorithm is running in the background. Okay. Now we'll see how Bezier spline curve is working. You see the equation number 22. There is an equation P of u equal to summation of P of k Bezier kn of u. N means in the curve how many number of point you are going to draw. That is n. Okay. Our logic is finding the point, each and every point of the curve. Point P, right? So that is P of u. The entire point vector we are going to calculate. Inside that entire point vector, each point one by one, what are the points we are going to draw? That is P of k. What is BEZ? That is called Bezier blend function. Blending means we are mixing each and every point with the direction, how the curve should move. Progress. That progressing direction is mixed by using Bezier logic. That is Bezier spline curve. Now you see the equation number 23 and 24 are part of equation number 22. Okay, that BZKN is extended. In that variable you have to substitute u into 1 minus u. What is u? U equal to 0 to 1, correct? That 0 to 1 is divided u power k and 1 minus u power k. And it is multiplied with c of n comma k. What is c of n comma k? That is explained in equation number 24. That is a polynomial equation. C of n comma k equal to n factorial divided by k factorial into n minus k factorial. So by multiplying these two, what is this two? C of n comma k and uk 1 minus u n minus k. By multiplying these two with any point, that point will be drawn as a curve. It won't be drawn as a line. So this will help you how the curve is moving or the direction of the curve. So based on equation number 22, 23, 24, you can decide any point. So here they have given for a 3D point, but our lab program will draw a 2D Bezier curve. X, Y, Z will give you a 3D curve. So what is X, Y, Z? Just point X, Y, Z. You can see the formula. Formula is same. Only the values of X, Y, Z is differing. And both the value X value, Y value, Z values multiply with Bezier function B is at k comma n of u. Now this is the summarized point 26. Equation number 26 will give you C of n comma k. Here C of n comma k I told. Equation number 24, that is explained here. C of n comma k equal to n minus k plus 1 by k C of n comma k minus 1. So what is this? This is the recursive method. Now the first point, then the next point, next point. What is recursive? Well, you are starting a loop, then inner value, then innermost value. Once you found the innermost value, then you are coming out, like that, one by one. All the control points are calculated. So like that the curve will be drawn. I'll show you one example. By seeing this you can understand Bezier curve. See the figure number 20. There are 5 figures are there. Now here curve is drawn. You can draw a curve with any number of control point, but mostly we are using 4 point only. In MS Paint also we used to give 4 click. So a curve will be drawn. In the lab program also we'll use 4 control point. Beginning point and end point and in between 2 point. Based on this 4 click a curve will be drawn. That is the example of C. You can see the example C. P0, P1 are the beginning and end point, and P2 and P1 and P2 are the in between point. I repeat, P0 and P3 are the beginning and end point. P1, P2 are the middle point. By using these 4 control point, a Bezier curve is drawn. The other figure you can see, figure 1 is using 3 control point. Figure B is using same 4 control point, but the control points positions are different. Based on that the curve is drawn. D you see again same 4 control point. By taking the position a different curve you can see. Equation example E, how many points are there? P0 to P4. So 5 points are there. Beginning and end point, in between 3 control point, such a curve is drawn. So in our lab we are going to see only 4 control point. There is a program to draw a flag using Bezier curve. So we have the program. We'll see the lab program later. Now I hope you have understood what is Bezier curve. Let me summarize. In raster scan method we cannot draw a curve, correct? To draw a curve you have to find the point only. By combining points only you can draw a curve. So now how to find the points? These points are called control points. You have to give the control points. How many number of control points? We'll take the example of 4. So one beginning and one end point and in between 2 control point. So based on this control point, you are going to find each and every point. Assume that you are going to use 1000 points, 1000 points to draw a curve. Now you started plotting. The direction of the point you have to calculate. To calculate the direction, we are taking Bezier spline function. Bezier spline function, curve function, will give you the direction of the curve. So by multiplying Bezier spline function with each and every point, the direction of the points are calculated and the curve is drawn. That's all in Bezier spline curve. Thank you.